They know my story.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back again to show you how you can spice your faux locks and stuff. So I made a video before this one showing you guys my soft locks. So basically it wasn't, I just used the I used the water wave hair. The hair that I used, a passion twist, that was what I used for this. As you can see, I'm going to wrap them very loosely, and at some point I'm going to use like a kinky hair and then just wrap it again. So it's like more work, that is if you don't want it to be so smooth, but you don't want it to be too messy either. So there's just different ways of going about this stuff. Just try and then see which one works for you. I know my favorite right now is the one that I use, the spring twist hair, because that one is very easy to handle. It's easy to take out. Like it's just easy overall, because this one is spring twist hair, so it's more curly. And also for this style, as I was wrapping it, before I even started wrapping it, I already attached half of kinky hair. So I took a kinky hair, I took one like Marley hair, I took one strand and I divided it into two, and I used the other half. And just because I wanted that firmness that I mentioned in my previous video, as you can see, like I like it better now because it's firm, and I don't know, I just like the way it looks overall. So yeah, I'll be saying more if I need to, but for now just keep watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So I mentioned that after wrapping it like this, I'm going to go ahead and take like a really tiny piece of the Marley hair and then just go on top again, just to create that confusion, just to make it not to be so smooth. And I also have the minutes when I start doing that, so you guys can see what I did. If you don't want to watch the whole thing, you can just go click that minutes and then watch exactly what I did and how I was able to, like, I don't know if you can see, like the blondes, most of them, like the 3 blondes, they're not smooth and they're not extremely messy either, because I didn't really have to take out anything for those ones. It looked like that because I went back and I just wrapped kinky hair on top of the already on top of what I already did, what you can see me doing right now on top of that. But you can just go to the minutes and then you see what I'm talking about. And thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.